Welcome back to our SketchUp tutorials. Today we'll be looking at the creation of a simple I Joist floor system. We'll go back to where we left off last week, and what we'll do is we'll select the original piece of timber material, move it over, leave the original there by pressing Ctrl, and then we'll right click, make it unique. And this time, we want to have this piece of timber 45mm by 45mm. So we can do that by using the tape measure, type 45, and tape measure this way, 45, enter. And just edit the object, select the face we want to push and pull it, snap to that line, and then select the next surface, push and pull, and snap to that construction line. We now have our piece of timber is now 45mm by 45mm. If I go to the attributes, and we can call this, we'll call this 2_ZZ_IJ underscore capital F L capital JOIST, which is level 2 ZZ IJ FL joist. And then we'll select that, press move, press Ctrl to keep the original there, press the left arrow key and type 200, enter. Just to double check, from back to front, that's 245mm, which is exactly what we want. And now, what I'll do is I will select the OSP, the original piece, press M, keep the original there, and then what I'll do is put it there, and then I'll then rotate it round. Oops, one more time, press rotate, and then select the point that I want to rotate it on. We'll say this one here, and press the up arrow to rotate it on the below axis or the vertical axis. Then 90, enter. And then of course that's not in the middle. So let's make that go into the middle of that edge. We'll press M, select the middle point there, and the middle point of the timber. And what I'll do is I will then select the OSB, double click it. First of all, make it unique. Make it unique, it's always important to do that. Select edit, select the face, push. Perfect. And now, what we can do is we actually want to cut this piece of timber slightly. So if I select the timber and edit, select that corner, and come back along the green axis or the left arrow key, type 15, enter, and do the same here. Left arrow key, 15, enter, then here. If I select that surface there, I'm now able to push and pull that all the way down, and if I just select that bottom surface, we'll then find that that's went all the way down. Unfortunately, we need to rotate the second member so it's correct. So we'll select the member, press rotate, We'll select the center point of that line that I just created. We'll have it on the blue axis, it's already on there, and we'll type in 180. That's absolutely perfect. We can now remove that additional line. OSB, what we'll do there, we'll rename that, and we'll call that I underscore web, W-E-B, I Joist web. Go back into the OSB by double clicking it, select the face, pull it out 15mm, or snap onto that line, come out to the other side, select the face, pull it out, perfect, and now we'll move this down, vertical, so hold the up arrow, or press the up arrow, then press it on to that face, and now we can select the OSB one more time, select that top face, and see it changes colour. When I've selected it, use the push and pull that up, and we'll select it onto the top. And now this is starting to resemble a James Jones I joist, or an I joist, timber I joist. Now we'll select the entirety of it. We shall right click, make component, and this time we will call it 2 underscore ZZ underscore I underscore joist. Enter. And that's a joist. Come back to the main screen. So that's the creation of a James Jones or an I joist, timber I joist. In the next video, we'll then take this member and make it into a standard 4 cassette.